Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 25. The International Migrants Day is observed globally on which date? Options: 16th December, 17th December, 18th December, and 19th December. So, before looking into the answer, let's also see why is this day observed and what is the theme of this International Migrants Day this year. The International Migrants Day is observed globally on 18th December every year to raise awareness regarding the challenges and difficulties faced by migrants. The day is marked by the United Nations through the UN related agency International Organization for Migration. And the theme of this year is integrating migrants into primary health care. So the right answer for this question is option C, 18th December. The International Migrants Day is observed every year globally on 18th December, and the theme is for this year is integrating migrants into primary health care. And here is another question for you. What is the rank of India in the Global Food Security Index 2022? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel, Learn with Komali, and do not forget to check out my community post.